Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Wars. To begin, you will command an army on a battlefield, managing resources and engaging in combat. The game features two main factions, the Unsk and the Covenant, each with unique units and strategies. Your primary goal is to build a strong base, produce units, and defeat your opponent's forces. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and basic controls to effectively issue commands and move your troops across the map. Resource management is crucial for success. You will primarily collect two resources, supplies and power. Supplies are used for building structures and training most units, while power is essential for advanced upgrades and certain powerful units. Construct supply pads and reactors to generate these resources. Expand your base by building barracks for infantry, vehicle depots for tanks, and air pads for aircraft. Remember to upgrade your structures to unlock more powerful units and abilities. Halo Wars features a rock-paper-scissors combat system. Infantry units are strong against air units are effective against vehicles, and vehicles excel against infantry. Understand these matchups to gain an advantage. Each unit also possesses unique abilities, such as grenades or healing, which can turn the tide of battle. Group your units strategically and use their special powers at the right moment to overwhelm your opponent and secure objectives. To truly master Halo Wars, focus on map control. Capturing control points and expansion bases provides additional resources and strategic positioning. Hero units, like Captain Cutter or the Arbiter, are powerful and possess unique leader abilities. Integrate them into your army for maximum impact. Always observe your opponent's strategy and adapt your unit composition and tactics accordingly. Practice and experimentation are key to becoming a formidable commander on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.